The rain pounded against the windows as I paced the living room, replaying every odd glance and late-night work excuse he'd ever given me, my heart a chaotic drumbeat in my chest. I was ready for confrontation, ready to demand the truth, when the doorbell cut through my thoughts like a knife. I opened it to find a small, wide-eyed girl clutching a worn teddy bear, staring up at me with a familiarity that twisted my stomach. Behind her stood a woman I've never met but felt like I knew. The resemblance was uncanny. "I'm here to drop off his daughter," she said coolly, eyes flicking past me as if my disbelief was nothing new. The girl looked between us, and I saw it, his eyes staring back at me. Betrayal crashed over me like a wave. All the secrets, the strange phone calls, it all made sense now. My world tilted as I realized I wasn't just battling infidelity, I was tangled in a